Hello and welcome to Brooks Guitar Lessons. I am Bill Brooks. Today we're looking at the E major chord. Here's how it sounds. And here's how you play it. Okay, let's take a look at the E major chord diagram. We're going to take our first finger and we're going to put it on the third string from the bottom, which is the G string, and put it on the first fret. Then you're going to take your second finger and you want to put it on the second fret of the A string, and take the third finger and put it on the second fret of the D string. And make sure you strum all 6 strings this time. Beautiful. Okay, let's take a look at the E major tab notation. So at the top you have a 0 on the lowercase e. At the bottom you have a 0 at the B string. On the G string you have a number 1, which means your finger goes on the first fret. And on the D string you have a number 2, which means there's a finger that has to go down on the second fret. And on the A string, another finger goes down on the second fret of that string. The lowest bottom capital E is open. And as always, since you're a beginner, make sure you're not touching any strings that you don't want to touch. It'll sound like that instead of sounding like that. Practice lifting off your hand and put it back down. Sorry, got carried away there. Lift it up, put it back down. Lift it up, put it down. Also, you want to arch your fingers. Make sure that you want to make a C big enough to hold a tennis ball or a baseball. So you take that C and you put it around the fretboard to make your A, to make your D. Make sure your thumb is behind the fretboard. Behind the fretboard. Shouldn't be able to see your thumb come over the top. Keep in mind that since you're a beginner, that your fingers are going to hurt at first when you start playing, because your fingers are made of flesh and your strings are made of metal, and metal on flesh, the metal is going to win. So you can probably only do this for like 15 minutes at a time at first, but the stronger that your calluses become, the longer that you can play. I'm also available on Facebook and Twitter at the links below. Also, leave a link in the comments. Show me how you're doing, show me your progress. Click like and share these videos with your friends who want to know more. And if you subscribe, you'll be updated on the new lessons that are coming out. I believe in you. You can do it if you keep practicing. Until next time, guitar class is dismissed.